In this video, I will be showing you how to make a background transparent in Canva to enhance your designs. Let's get started. I start by selecting the main text in my logo to change its color. I click on the text color icon and choose a bright pink from my document colors to give it a more playful look. Next, I head over to the Elements tab on the left and search for playground photos. I scroll through the results to see what fits, but I think a different search term might work better, so I type in park instead. I find a beautiful photo of a green park with a city skyline and add it to my canvas. To make it the base of my design, I right-click the image and select the option to set it as the background. Now I'll reposition my logo illustration and text elements to ensure everything is perfectly centered and grouped. To help the logo stand out against the new scenery, I select the background image and click on the transparency tool. I slide the transparency down to about 40% to create a nice faded effect. After a few more minor adjustments to the placement, I click the icon to duplicate the page so I can try a slightly different look. On the second page, I select the background again and bring the transparency up just a bit. Once I'm satisfied with the design, I click the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. I keep the file type as a PNG, make sure to check the box for a transparent background, and then hit the final download button. That's how easy it is to use transparency and export your projects like a pro in Canva.